Alright, welcome back everybody. We are going to be opening our packs 18 through 27 on this video for 1991 Upper Deck Baseball. So if you haven't watched the other two videos, go back and check them out. We have some pretty cool hits. But without further ado, let's get to the next 9 packs of these. We're going to go bottom left on this group. That's going to leave one set of 9 packs left, which we will open in a future video. We are looking for some good rookies in this set. Chipper Jones, Mike Mussina are the two that stick out the most that I remember, but we'll see what else we pull. We are looking for Frank Thomas. I believe this would be his second year card, and then there's certainly some Nolan Ryan autographs that we would love to pull, but those are few and far between. So let's see what we get in here. Looks like we might have a Barry Bonds peeking out at us on there. We start off with a Baseball Heroes Nolan Ryan card. That is an insert card, number 11 of 18. So 18 cards to that set. We got a John Smiley. There's a Dave Stewart. It's a checklist card. Once again, those are Upper Deck's kind of version of Diamond Kings. We got a Kurt Miller top prospect and a Junior Felix, Tim Naring. And then we got another Brave sticker card. Jose Lind, Jerome Walton, Jay Buhner. There's our Barry Bonds, and the action shot there against the Padres. I kind of like to lay out the whatever I think might be the best pulls. I don't really know value on any of these. Most of them were printed so much. There's not a ton of value in them, but it's definitely fun to open the packs. And we have a Red Sox checklist card. I believe that's Mike Greenwell on the on the front. Scott Scudder from the Reds. There's White Sox checklist with Carlton Fisk, Dan Peltier, Darren Lewis. There's a Kurt Schilling. Another Cardinals hologram. Not a Cardinals fan. Jeff Treadway. As a big Reds fan, I can't like the Cardinals. Hubie Brooks. That card's got like scratches all down the side. Hey, Jose Canseco. Famous for not all the right reasons, but we'll take it. Always good to have his cards. Glenn Braggs. I really wish that they would put all these cards the same way. There's a Rafael Palmeiro Texas Rangers checklist. Greg Blosser. There's the Crime Dog Fred McGriff. A Cubs sticker. Tom Candiotti. Norm Charlton, part of the Nasty Boys for the Reds 1990 World Series championship team. Greg Jeffries, that last card there. Somebody that didn't quite live up to the hype. It's like a White Sox 1917 revisited team card. Chuck Finley and the California Angels. Hey, a Reggie Sanders top prospect card. Very cool. As a Reds fan, that was a cool hit. Astros, Cubs, Braves, and Cardinals, I think, are all the sticker cards. I think that's the only ones they've made. As far as the ones we've been pulling out. Roberto Alomar. Tony Phillips and Matt Williams. A couple of somewhat stars from back in the day. There's another Nolan Ryan Baseball Heroes card, number 12 out of 18. Harold Reynolds and the Mariners checklist. Brent Maine top prospect. Luis Gonzalez, Mike Scott. Look, there's another Braves sticker. Tim Leana, Jack Morris. Got a scratch on the bottom. Some of these are scratched up. Hey, Ryan Sandberg and Craig Biggio. Got 4 packs left, guys. No huge hits yet. You might have seen in the previous video we hit the Michael Jordan short print card. Don't think we'll hit another one in the same box. That would be make it not quite a short print, right? Kyle Abbott top prospect card. Kansas City Chiefs checklist card. George Bell. Look, there's a Cardinal sticker. Darren Dalton. Robin Ventura. Was a fan of his back in the day. Not sure if he's managing now. He was managing, but it didn't last very long. Dave Winfield. Paul O'Neill. That's a good hit for a Reds fan. Although he left the Reds pretty quickly, I believe, after the World Series and became a Yankee. Twins. We didn't hit nearly this many checklist cards in our first couple of videos. Eric Anthony was a hot prospect. Hey, there's a Cubs logo. Andre Dawson. John Smoltz. Mark Grace. I was a Mark Grace fan when I was younger. Alright, we got two packs left here, folks. Willie Banks prospect card. Astro sticker. Ruben Sierra, Bruce Ruffin, Alan Trammell. Hey, Sammy Sosa. This is, I believe this is considered his second year card when he was with the White Sox. Chili Davis. Hey, Chris Sabo. Big Chris Sabo fan. If you're a Reds fan, I think you have to be a Sabo fan. Well, this pack's just tearing apart. And we got another Nolan Ryan Baseball Heroes card, number 10 out of 18. It's like a lot of, must been a record year for the White Sox. We got a groundbreaking card with Carlton Fisk and Robin Ventura on it. For Bly 11, Glenn Davis, and a Brave sticker. Andres Galarraga, Dwight Gooden, Gary Sheffield, another checklist, Larry Sheets, Ramon Martinez, and finishing off the set of packs with an Ozzie Smith. A nice Ozzie Smith card. So Bonds, Canseco, Ozzie Smith, Sammy Sosa, Fred McGriff, a couple of good Reds cards, and lots of Braves, Cubs, Astros, and Cardinals stickers. So tell me what you think in the comments. Let me know what your favorite card was that I opened this evening. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and we will bring you the last 9 packs of the 1991 Upper Deck box here in the near future. Alright, have a good night, everybody. See you next time.